students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to state whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike. Like means the terms which are same and unlike means which are different. Here, the like does not represent that two terms have the same numerical value. If here the like means that if the both terms are constant, so they are like. If one term is constant and another is variable, so they are unlike. And if variables are different, like one have variable as x and the another has variable as y, so then too they are unlike. So let's discuss the part 1. In the part 1, we are having the term 1 and 100. Both are constant. So both are constant. Either their numerical value is different, but they are constant. So we can say that this is a like pair. So this is a like pair. Now the next is minus 7x and minus 5x. Now look here, minus 7x has variable x and and 5 divided by 2x has variable x. Both has same variable. Same variable. So we can say that they are the like pair of terms or like terms. Next is minus 29x and minus 29y. They have both same constant, but constant doesn't matter here. Here the variable for this is x and for this is y. Both have different variables. If variables are different, so we can say that they are unlike terms. Unlike terms. Next is 14 of xy and 42xy. Look here, for 14 the variable is xy and for 42 variable is yx. xy or yx both are same. So we can say that both have same variable. So we can say that they are the like terms. They are the like terms. Next is 4 of m raised to the power t and 4 of mp raised to the power t. For the first, it's m raised to the power 2p. And for second, it's mp raised to the power 2. So both have different variables. Variables are different. So we can say that the terms are unlike. So they are unlike terms. This is the answer to the part 5th. Now the 6th is 12 of xz and 12 of x square z square. First is xz and the another is x square z square. So both have different variables. If the variables are different, so we can say that they are the unlike terms. So they are the unlike terms. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.